Investing in real estate is one of the most capital-intensive decisions you will ever make. Because of this capital intensity, the slightest question mark around the integrity of a developer or the vendor marketing to you should send red flags across to you. Every single complaint against a developer deserves your full attention and investigation. It deserves to be investigated. It deserves verification, because the goal is simple. You don't want to be the next person telling the same story tomorrow. At encumberedproperties.com, the safety of your real estate investments is our primary goal. That is why we consistently bring to you verified details of disputed properties, encumbered properties, and risky property offers anywhere found to help you make informed property decisions before committing your money. Now, let's get straight into today's real estate red alerts. First, Valington Homes and Property Development Services. It happened at FCT Abuja High Court. FCT Abuja High Court recently fined this company for land trespassing and ordered it to pay 10 million naira after it was found to have unlawfully encroached on a plot of land belonging to another party somewhere in Jikwoyi Extension, Abuja. This is not speculation. This is a documented court ruling. Therefore, buyers beware. Secondly, Blue Fountain Estate, Karsana. Homeowners in this particular estate have publicly challenged the developers' practices. Complaints include alleged breaches of contracts, unfair management practices, lack of transparency in the use of estate service charge, and unilateral changes to common use areas without residents' input or contribution. If you are considering buying into this estate, pay very close attention so that you won't buy into where you won't have a say. Therefore, buyers beware. Thirdly, house high developers or Harmony Estate, Lagos. The Lagos State government, through the Ministry of Housing, issued a public warning advising home buyers to be cautious following allegations that the developer falsely represented itself as being linked to the state government in Harmony Court Estate. So this is misrepresentation. This was not a rumor. It was an official government warning. In other words, buyers beware. Now, Police Service Commission Cooperative Estate, Lugbe, Abuja. Between 2012 and 2014, subscribers were shown a location in Idu after full subscription. And more than 12 years down the line, when Idu had already developed, subscribers were moved to a location in Lugbe. That Lugbe location is still under contention and remains encumbered, as evidenced in the video you are watching right now.
We need to contact the relevant authorities to know the people that, and it will interest you to know, these lands were not allocated directly to Police Service Commission Cooperative. We obtained it from a vendor.
So I am very careful when I am dealing with land in Abuja. When I entered here and I saw containers, built up areas there, I became suspicious. I want us to be convinced that this land is not in dispute.
That's the most important thing.
It is very important. Because you cannot be asking us to pay more money that will not give us value.
A rival claimant has contacted us, asserting that the Lugbe land does not belong to the cooperative and that he is an interested party in the land. And this wasn't disclosed to anybody, any of the subscribers. All they were saying, pay money for excavation, setting out, and start developing. You can see part of the voice note being played out to you now.
To our horror and shock, they came with quite a number of policemen and a big crowd that came along with them. I don't know whether they're cooperative members. It was quite scary from information my staff gave to me. And at gunpoint, they forcefully broke part of the fence and carried the container into our site. The container that they put on the site was clearly inscribed. There's an inscription on it, clearly, because I couldn't believe that the Police Service Commission, aided by the police, would do that sort of thing. Haven't heard what the IG said. I told my staff to take a picture of it and send it to me. And clearly on the container it was written Police Service Commission Cooperative. And the people assisting them to carry the container into our site. Of course, they came with the hijab and all that, but the people assisted them with guns, were policemen there, in uniform. I have it all recorded. You know, and they claim that they own the place, they have judgment, they have this, but on getting my lawyer to speak to one Mr. Benedict, who is the PRO of the Police Service Commission, he said they didn't have judgment, but that they own the land, and they've decided as a cooperative they want to take over the land.
So, buyers beware. If you are a first-time buyer, or if you are wondering how to avoid being scammed in Nigeria's real estate market, this is exactly why we exist. Take advantage of our due diligence services by contacting us today. Mortgage services are also available. You can further protect yourself by following our proven guide titled 7 Steps to Acquiring a Clean Property Title. It is a practical checklist. The link to order for your own is in the description to this video. Until I bring you the next real estate red alert, I remain Madueke Nwere. I'm a chief superintendent of police, a property lawyer, and by God's grace, the founder, Encumberedproperties.com. Encumberedproperties.com remains the only real estate fraud prevention platform. Remember, we love you and we care about the safety of your real estate investments. Thank you.